Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Tired of mushy quinoa ruining your salads? Today, we'll transform your quinoa cooking skills to achieve fluffy, separate grains every single time. This method ensures your quinoa adds a delightful texture, rather than a soggy one, to any salad you create. Getting quinoa just right is easier than you think, and it truly makes a world of difference in your meals. Let's make sure your next salad is absolutely perfect, starting with its foundation. Before cooking, rinsing your quinoa is absolutely crucial. Quinoa has a natural coating called saponin, which can taste bitter or soapy if not removed. Simply place your desired amount of quinoa into a fine mesh sieve. Then, rinse it thoroughly under cold running water for about 60 seconds, swirling it around gently. This quick preparation step ensures your quinoa tastes clean and fresh, setting the stage for a delicious salad. The secret to perfectly cooked quinoa lies in the right liquid-to-grain ratio. For fluffy, distinct grains, always use a 2-to-1 ratio. That's 2 cups of liquid for every 1 cup of dry quinoa. You can use water, or for extra flavor, vegetable or chicken broth works wonderfully. This precise measurement allows the quinoa to fully absorb the liquid without becoming oversaturated, guaranteeing a light and airy texture. Get this step right for superior results. Once your quinoa is rinsed and the ratio is correct, combine them in a saucepan. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. As soon as it boils, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly with a lid, and let it simmer for precisely 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the pot from the heat but keep the lid on. Let it rest, undisturbed, for another 5 minutes. This rest period is crucial for perfect texture. Finally, it's time to uncover your perfectly cooked quinoa. Use a fork to gently fluff the grains. You'll notice how light and separate they are. For salads, it's essential to cool the quinoa completely before mixing it with other ingredients. Spread the fluffed quinoa out onto a baking sheet in a single layer to speed up the cooling process. This prevents your salad from becoming warm or soggy, ensuring a fresh and vibrant dish every time. Enjoy your perfectly cooked quinoa.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.